Did you know swimmers can boost their performance by up to 30% through mind-muscle connection, even with irregular training? Let's dive into this game-changing technique. Meet Sarah, a passionate swimmer facing scheduling chaos. Her sporadic pool time left her frustrated until she discovered the power of focused drill training. Instead of rushing through laps, she began incorporating mindful exercises like catch-up drills and single-arm strokes, paying attention to each muscle movement. This intentional practice triggered a fascinating chain reaction in her body. The concentrated movements activated her nervous system more effectively, releasing performance-enhancing hormones like endorphins and growth hormone. Even with limited sessions, Sarah's body responded better to training, leading to improved technique and stronger muscle memory. By breaking down complex strokes into mindful segments, she maintained progress despite her irregular schedule. The key was quality over quantity, proving that strategic training beats random volume. Want to revolutionize your swim training? Share your biggest swimming challenge below.